Hey, Krishna. This is my submission for Port Mortem 2026. I ported Python Semver, a semantic versioning library with around 2,600 lines of code from Python to Go. The track is open pair since Python to Go wasn't one of the listed pairings, but yeah, let's build it and run it. First, let's make sure it actually builds and the unit test pass. Clean build and all tests are passing. The real question isn't whether it compiles, it's whether it behaves the same as the original. So I built a differential fuzz harness. It generates random version strings, runs them through the real Python server, then through my Golang port, and checks if they agree or not. This is running 5,000 randomly generated version strings right now, checking, parsing, comparison, and all bump functions against the real library. Zero mismatches. I have run this across multiple seeds too, like 0, -1, 2, 99, 7, about 30,000 cases total, and it's all clean. A real bug was also caught. Yeah, it didn't start clean though. The fuzzer actually caught a real bug in my port. Bump build on a version like 8.35.21 plus version 00, for example, was giving version 1 instead of version 01. My code was incrementing the number correctly but dropping the zero padding. It was not a hard thing to do, so I just Python server preserves it, so I just fixed it by padding the result back to the original width and reran the fuzzer to confirm it was actually fixed. Uh, my decisions are as I kept a decision log the whole way through. One I'm proud of catching. I originally hashed the test shoot against the main branch instead of a pinned release, which didn't match what pip actually installs. Caught it while porting next version, which was not even in the original plan, but yeah. Fixed the pinning and redid the hash. I also deliberately didn't port match the range syntax like greater than equals 1.000 or sorry 1.0.0. It's basically its own parser, and I would rather ship something small and fully proven than bigger with an unfuzzed corner. Go's Golang's parser is about 3 times faster than Python's, and comparisons are a few hundred times faster. It's not something like Python is bad, but yeah, Golang is faster, and which makes sense since it's basically just comparing struct files directly instead of going through Python's object overhead. Yeah, that's the port, and the repo will be linked down below. Thanks so